This boat slip is now available for sale or rent. Able to accommodate vessels up to 45 feet long, 16 feet wide, with up to an 8-foot draft, this slip is located on the east side of the Banana River, immediately north of Mathers Bridge in Indian Harbor Beach, Florida, 1 mile east of Melbourne, Florida. Accessed on land via a private development through a security gate. This slip is conveniently located beachside in Indian Harbor Beach and next to Telemar Bay Marina. Enjoy sheltered, no-wake zone status with the convenience of a deepwater end-of-dock slip. Call 321-676-2377 for more details and to arrange a viewing.